Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Old Man Mustache is probably one of the most hilarious and fun accessories you can get for your kids. Whether it's for a costume party, a school play, or just some good old-fashioned dress-up fun, this mustache is guaranteed to bring smiles and laughter. Today, we're diving deep into the world of kid-friendly mustaches, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you find the perfect fit for your little ones. Number 5. Whaline 48 PCS Fake Mustaches for Party. This set includes 10 different styles, with a total of 48 pieces. You can choose different styles to match your different outfits. It's perfect for any dress-up occasion. Made of good quality artificial fiber, it's self-adhesive and safe to use. You can easily apply and remove them without any hassle. It's designed for your comfort and convenience. Make it a part of your costume to cheer you up and bring you joy. It's perfect for creating a memorable mustache-themed party. Get ready to have some fun. Use it for Halloween, costume parties, or game play. It's also great for festival decor. It's a great way to create a fun atmosphere. Pick a style you like, peel off the backing, and stick it on. It's that simple. Get ready to transform your look in seconds. What we like. This set offers a wide array of mustache styles, perfect for any costume. It's easy to apply, making it ideal for quick costume changes. If you're looking for a fun and versatile accessory for themed parties or dress-up days, you should consider this. What people say. Good cheesy mustaches for costumes or fun party, there are plenty of them, so when one starts losing the sticky you can just slap on another one. Will be perfect for Halloween this year. They stuck well to the faces and came off relatively pain-free. These worked great for Dr. Seuss Day at my child's school. The adhesive is great, stuck on very well. It also peeled off easily, did not hurt while taking it off. Number 4. Mustaches Self-Adhesive Fake Beard for Kids. Looking for a fun costume accessory? This self-adhesive beard is perfect for kids. It's a great way to add some novelty to any outfit. Applying this beard is super easy. Simply peel and stick it on. It's a quick and simple way to transform your look. This fake beard is ideal for parties and dress-up events. It's a small, boxed item that's easy to carry around. Get ready to have some fun. Designed with kids in mind, this costume accessory is safe and comfortable. It's made to be gentle on the skin, so they can enjoy wearing it for hours. Don't miss out on this fun accessory. Grab one today and let the fun begin. It's the perfect addition to any child's costume collection. What we like. Designed specifically for kids, this mustache is perfectly sized. The self-adhesive feature ensures it's easy and safe for children to use. If your child needs a simple, hassle-free addition to their costume, this is a great choice. What people say. The mustache stayed on all day. They were perfect for the kids' play. The kids loved them. Number 3. For ease, Novelty Kids Old Man Costume Accessories. Want to look like a grandpa? This kit is perfect for kids who want to dress up. It's a fun and easy way to complete an old man costume. This set comes with a fake gray mustache and eyebrows. They are easy to apply and will instantly change your look. Get ready for some fun. Whether it's for a school event or a costume party, this accessory kit is ideal. It's a great choice for boys looking to dress up as an old man. The stick-on design makes it simple to use. It's also easy to remove when the fun is over. Enjoy the transformation. This kit is a must-have for any old man costume. It's a quick and effective way to achieve the desired look. Get ready to have some fun. What we like. This set provides a classic gray mustache and eyebrows, instantly transforming the wearer into an old man. It's a great choice for school events or themed parties. If you want a complete old man look, this is perfect for you. What people say. The mustache and eyebrow set definitely did the job, but was a bit wide on my 5th grader. The adhesive seemed to be high quality, as he was able to wear them for 2 different presentations a few months apart. Used for my son's 100th day of school. Stuck on all day, and looked super cute. The items fit his little face, the size was perfect. They were a great value for the money. We still have them to wear next school year. The durability and design were amazing. Number 2. Grandpa Costume Kit, Child Standard, Multicolor. Want to dress up as a grandpa? This costume kit is perfect for kids. It includes everything you need to transform into a lovable grandpa. This set comes with 3 essential pieces. It's easy to put on and take off, making it ideal for playtime or a costume party. Designed for children, this costume fits comfortably. It's made with safe materials, ensuring a fun and worry-free experience. The costume features a multicolor design. The vibrant colors and details will make the character come to life. This costume is great for Halloween, school plays, or just everyday fun. It's a fantastic way for kids to explore their imagination. What we like. This kit offers a complete costume, saving you time and effort. The multicolor design adds a fun element to the costume. If you need a ready-to-go costume for your child, this is a convenient option. What people say. Purchased for son's 100 trillion tons day of school. Great. This worked out really well for my son's 100 days of school. He played the part well. 5-year-old wore it for 100th day of school and it was a big hit. Number 1. For sets Old Man Mustache and Eyebrows Kits. Want to experience the fun of makeup? This kit includes 4 sets of mustaches and eyebrows. It's a great prop to help you experience different age groups. Made of quality artificial wool, this set is soft, comfortable, and skin-friendly. It looks and feels like the real thing, making it easy to carry around. Each set comes with adhesive for easy application. Simply remove the sticker and apply. The mustache and eyebrows stay in place for hours. The shape and color of the eyebrows and beard are designed to be lifelike. This makes your role-playing more vivid and fun. This old man kit is perfect for entertainment, parties, or stage performances. It's ideal for theaters, role-playing, Halloween, and more. What we like. This kit features realistic-looking mustaches and eyebrows, enhancing the authenticity of the costume. The adhesive makes it easy to apply and remove. If you want a realistic and easy-to-use accessory for role-playing or themed events, you should consider this. What people say. The mustache stayed on all day. They were perfect for the kids' play. They were a hit at the party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.